in every sphere of the development of the nation. He gave most importance to the individual's national polity, not on cultural, not on social, not on religion. You go individual social polity. Chinen na he nakayur nei nakayur na ino wo kipa kamaning go. Chena yur ka sem ka hili inclusive sap lungra hili ka dong azang lungra lui ka fana labai ka tam labai ma ka tam labai ka dong azang rai naga yura ju manga wa da khli manga khoi da khli ka la jura shung dang ning ka da khli khnu to no bing na backbone sa la ka ning da khli bang na naga yura mling sang da khli nim la ka khne sa da ok tu khrewi example la khamyo ge naga bis agoti august 2015 le san sai re te ji thum cso bing naga wi na osh na bing tu bo bing na ka tom la ka pressurize sa la ka sa bang na ji sang sa ing sa da ji yo ka khne li thui ka hai tam June July ki jang tam li border area li rai pangla kai nang ka pai te ji li 70 to 80% fa shipai ji thum khnu to na mang dai ji li khra jang la evidence ning jang le jo ti da ka mang la ja ka ji ka mi hai ka fa I thum ji khnu to ping wa no ru chai ri ta hang bai la ka ka thum sa da yur sem ka ji shipai mang mning dai I thum ari shock da kle ari chon tham cham te 27 August li I thum na cookie wi re san li or ta ka tai wi re san ta re sang phung ra la ri ka themi them sang phung ja da tang hul la ka dam na long tel hi na free SSC coaching 250 seats khui sang me re ji free SSC coaching ji khre le sala awai bi sa sala evidence jang le ko kala I thum hi sa inclusive sala kai nang lo ji ka na ka khni to no bing na politics chong la bai ka chong la bai ka chong gali yur wi na ka issue re sa ta li dai a jon ding no exam sa de MP li mai alfred ka magar ko ana mu tu ga ji thum ka to na shan khui li ko to na so bi li dai shi le I thum outer MP wi voters bin li to na
Warning.
shi li dai okay te Jena khna sa da khar naw ka them thang mai ka chung ka nei thum li yur li ka ta otram ng chura khla ji mang ji thai sa ma nei kha thai ji la la I thum khnu to bin na nur khoi la ka tam khoi la ka ma thala ka no otram ng chut lai dai la ri ka chung ka bi khoi thum thai khoi sa mangai dai research la sa lai dai MU li la ri research scholar 46 pam lai dai ji da ka interest mangai no tha ta lai dai hi
Time's up.
okay Jena I thum na ka khnu to bin na saklai na ka to mi gai jikat mi ka ser da khli sai ko ri hi saklai na khui mi lo na ka wang sak khama tai le nei thum khnu to ti ning shla ga re
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, our honorable judges, color speaker, color fellow debaters, ping. We are being urged to shung hoi. Mandri Pukriwen representative kasana. Agenda 1 we showing a formation and material. Naga we achievement here are winning the material. Krelaga when rather he keep progress like Kilis at the lake is him matimina. Kala naga you building wivang itum na contribute sagi majilla contribute sagi majilla itum na leadership mukuya ga itum contribute samra kala leadership kuya ga I contribute sare ga hi yone kala khnu thot ping itum mi tam kuya laga society li involve masa hangai he kiwani khle jigava because they see no importance as working as a team gajinilla kala globalization na influence na maram sauda itum we tradition is culture tradition is man man hai la kala itum identity hi mathei thure kala nation building wang ka jiwangai nei itum hi youthly empower sa lagi education hi education hi miracle economic and socio economic opportunity mira kala in policy li involve kasa hi potential jithai laga hi potential jithai ni share
Team Lamphel.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Respected judges and speakers, and my fellow debaters, and everyone present out here. I am Solem Piyungyo, representing from TK LDMU, and I am standing here to argue against the motion on the topic, the role of youths in Naga nation building has diminished. So my first points will be about patriotism. An honest citizen working an honest day's work with a sense of duty for living as a patriot. Today, Kaito Sukai is one of the famous examples of famous entrepreneurs, patriotism in Nagaland. His efforts are focused on promoting the well-being and progress of the Nagas nation. He is also widely respected for his dedications in leadership. Kaito Sukai has inspired so many youths in leadership skills and self-dedication. So with this example, we know that there is a deep sense of justice, love, respect, service, and even sacrifice for his people and for his land. Second point will be about nationalism. According to Naga, nationalism must be strictly inspired by the teaching of Christ. And hence we all know, during the earning of independence, Naga fought under the banner, Nagaland for Christ. So with these headlines, it helps us to understand, to love our land, our history, our culture, our flora and fauna, and even our people. So as a result today, many of the Naga youths enjoy, celebrate the spirit of nationalism with their own creative talents such as art, literature, poetry, music, and even fashions and other lifestyles. Point number 3, increase of participations in politics. Many of the young Naga peoples are taking advantages in involving discussions of political issue, votings, and even during the contesting of elections. Point number 4, cultural preservation. When coming to this point, we all know Asaga Zingmei is one of the famous examples. His striking fashion sense and showcasing of Naga's culture, clothes, and traditional wear has inspired and motivated so many youths in promoting and progress of the traditional clothes. Lastly, increase of participation in leadership. Many of the young peoples are actively participating in leadership and even in skills rolling. So with these points, as I've mentioned with example, the role of youths in Naga nation building is not diminishing, but instead, it is evolving and growing. Thank you.
Good evening. Ili Somishang Shimpri e TKL Dipkol when I represent Sane. Respected speaker and my fellow debaters and to all the congregations out there, in the topic here. Agenda number 1, the role of youth in Naga nation building has diminished. Okay, as we statement here in the support sangai gachia tangku long now regasang hui paikar hui line chatak lewi maram hi makeup ta hangke kiwangle chaka itumwi khundukli phungdak leya khara naw ping atumna yud atamli atumi paikar matha dama kar khuyai ka sawi wangai na khara ni dangai ya ka khani ali kiwangle chaka role nation building gaji kitarmli lekli chaka concrete project to rebuild or construct a nation dangi itum ni hili kiwangai ni hirau kli chaka nation building sai hili individual sa kadar ka sai individuals with character main masarang lakain dangda nation building maram re gachine in a hili point kutumati shamai le clearly individuals and the society yang individuals are kana self center sana gai charan machikat khangai awilirare laka ali khatali priority khangya tamrare chitha gai charan our personal gain wang what saure laka society li contribute sangai limbre you create point ne kakhani ali digital distraction raga yang digital distraction hiliki mai changli chaka video games or any entertaining apps it will be society really introduce sami kai hi na kata da sa zau kli cha ka na katam nau ping wi nau shnau main sokra da kle generation z chi bai athum wi hi li sak z tra kle yawe hi sa z gai tharan nau da itum wi future hi li re ka sang hi li ka hak pan ragi ki ne mathang li neglecting in the guidance ava wanda katam nau itum ping li school or college or any boarding institution hostel jo sangai laga yeng sang khami wat kai jo college kai re school kai re da jo sangai laga tuition fee mang san khami admission fee mang sa khami laga spiritual support wat kai or any interaction oza pingli katam nau pingli yeng sang nawngra pingli yeng sang wat kai tharan nawngra ping wi phai kar hi la yon ka pai chance kale ne nextly erosions of traditional values
Warning.
thak da bi laga thak da ga thui ba hi matu ngai kiwang le ja ka reda itumi wa ping wi athumi khar chan li bungmati kuthum li har ma thui rang laga athum thui laga church li ka laga sia ga sawi tradition le sai ari chi ma le thure laga hili influence of K-pops and western cultures le itumi alung hili barbaric wine uncivilized the civilized masa chawrang gi mindset hili hi ka tha tradition ra janga ka
Your time is up.
thank you
Respected speakers, guests, judges, honorable guests, Chair Lipam dak living, Kala House le tensa dak le yario psychology, iwe aming tochio hoye, and today I represent Lamphel, and I stand as a proud Naga, and I stand for the Naga cause. Mr. Speaker, I stand here today to strongly oppose the motion. Atamak litishure in the point direct bauge. Kre point sa da okuthui atam khangchei tishure da cycle na phapta yang arhon wi khanuitot main khanuitot le focus house khanuitot pinghi khlata wi survival wi wang khlata wi ringkhawai wi wang katam kishu wi wang career wi wang da chili focus hen me da sa hu yang like hisa ga yatam hili naga we struggle naga we cause naga yur semga se chi hi malaya we importance ma mithre hili na hang hai baba itum shimkur ramnaubing ramlipam dak lebing yur wi wang da itum wi kathem khnui to da zada itum wi kathem itum wi sa ka thai chi bingzi itum na machikat la sacrifice msa la khipa wangsa gi da yuri wang msa la na iwi yuri wang msa la mi ka tai wi wang yur ka tai wang sar la itum hi short sighted msa is yang but let's try to see the bigger picture struggle hi kasang ga zadrai re kasang ga zadwafre ka khania points are the Mr. Speaker identity itumui identity hi ihi naga akhane ihi anywhere I go ihi I can proudly lift my head kala ihi naga akhane the you identity hi ina hida the proclaim sa shabtak le hi itumui kathana bing itumui CSO trak le thot wi khrana bing na phungra ga hai chodra ga hai ngrar mi ga hai achi itum identity hi wi wang nyang atumna sami ga hai ko tong ga atumna phungra ga hai mamachukrar kachot phungra mi ga hai chimalai ausla atumna sacrifices sami ga ko tong ji itum malai aus isla malai shabrala zingum hangshini da phanga struggle itum hi langere ishina sam phanga hi framework agreement sa mangere 3rd August 2015 hiwi hili negotiation is zatafre chilina hangai banaba atam hili thot hili ishi naga yurna targar sa
Warning.
mai thui dak le hi khigle je ka ba itum scholars bing kathem thang mai bing yang in all walks of life skilled professionals, doctors, engineers, lawyers, skilled laborers, technicians, ojar no, artists no, lagsar no, anyone, no skill talent khalek tong hi, issue naga wi yurna targar sadle, achi wi thotili. Hidap
Time's
sada
up.
conclusion sada. Ishi na framework agreement wi hili. A statement na khazang yang. In a democracy, sovereignty lies with the people the hangai hale. So it lies with the people na iwili lei jaga. Na iwili lei jaga. Atang oza sort na lahangai re. Identity ji hi. Na identity ji ma lega nation hi ma semga baim ne. Nation ka ji hi first our foundation ni identity na build sa gaye. So na hi naga ne no identity hi ma laye ka. Kata the yur hi semga gi da yang. Oza sort na gang ji ya ning shilage. Anaghang last anaka conclusion lig hang ji. Future lies with you. It lies with us. Can we thought be future hi itumi pangi le ji de. Hi in a hang ngai baba. Atam dai la hangoge. In a hang ngai baba foundation hi itum the future itumi pangi le itum the ari enjoy sa da le ari la. Kala future hi le itumi wang ne. Hi sa da le hi itum li kipa na free na kamim ning ne. Hi itumi kernau bing katana bing na shipai bing na kasang ga chot laga atum nang rara ga alung hili itum na hisamang dak le ne ning shere kuk nalim.
Thank you everyone. Arai thumna. Agenda ka khani open sak paisa se. Educated unemployment has become a crisis in the Tangkhul society. Kasi umaram li thumna. Deliberate sang room sidra. Korea sara motion hi nagaram team nagaram na khimira chiwi chile team adim zadina against the motion matimira.
Good afternoon, everyone, and their speaker and their participants. Iwaming ayate mishangwu itim nagaram wenne. Educated unemployment has become a crisis in the Tangkhul society. Yes, hi mishungake kichia itum na flashback sase. Itum hi ava itum avo vana itumli career guidance lam thala mamim ko. And moreover itum schools ko thala itum career guidance ma khami wangai na ari shok tak lay national bingwa. Atumli natumna like tamdak lay you have to be doctor, you have to be engineer, you have to be lawyer ji. Ka atumi skills potential si miyang mimne. Ji wangla reason na hang sadale. And moreover ishi tangkhul na bingwa yenglo pride. Them kregi chumna hai wangai na aju PhDs kasatra lay masters tamdak lay tra lay ka atuma ituma ari top level we exam thaga I'm not doing other things some atuma mak sal clay wangai na achu unemployment ni chungkhumei shoktale ka itumna thegi ja kan hin lava lack of entrepreneurship le ko ishi lack sana de le ko ari shok man de le ko shok man de le ka ari wa shokta clay percentage tiau lak de le jen chi wil hangai kala itumili wrong mindset of political itumili khilei le power in getting job paisa khlai naw bingwa paisa misanga la tum otpam samanga government job tharala itum kata ka chamnaw humble background na tangkhul naw bing hiwa tong ka humble background class side paisa mi sangram khoi thuma chen itum paisa mi sangar ka iwi leida khlai iwing sunaw bajina ot sambangai ka iwa ka thawra iwa mental iwa low self esteem layer dai iwa mentally ring phalimar de chiwanga ni hi shok ta khlai ni chen ari ra da khlai ka tong han thumli shaki sa da hangai ke chiwa itum hi we need to respect either small or big itum job hi respect sa se kala let's be the bridge the gap between education and unemployment ensuring that our youth can equipped with relevant skills laga itum let's rethink itum phaningli say itumi khigle let's rethink on education system and focus on creating jobs not the one who seeks jobs thank you
Lecture Yarubing, Kulak Yashing Speaker Sir. You are Ming Horzak Somohoy, Yari, Adim Jadi Wena, representing Sunday. Ajue, agenda number 2, educated unemployment has become a crisis in Tangkhul society in the Mum Yang Emne. Maramba open masam bang na dam khui shi khwel ga open masam bang na pom da khlei bi na itumui social work thali in kai sal ga kala itumui community resang fa bong kala itumui naka yu resang fa bong tra khle le example sa da achon thang naka volunteers kai bing chek jungja unemployed mangai kala iwi points khak ni sa da in article sa when ko sanga ye oja rai mingam merjang awi articles li ana research sal ga awi topic na unemployment job aspiration and migration a case study of tangkhul migrant to Delhi gili and study sal ga awi conclusion ni aga ita dal le par sa ga le当时呢，希望呢，哎呀，把说了这个不，一头没人来不米里，一头没 job opportunity 是 name 拿好的，educated unemployment 中生该往哎呀，把说那个了 education higher education 等会发往哎呀来说呢，我们生朋友呢，没人差的同类，我上海会 inspire 米来，我上满的哎呀，了上满的一头没。Chimpu jenang rala financial support min le azarvang ra apanang rala larik tam khui sambang de le chita ga wa agenda hi uwang wa mam sung mane kale points ko thumale entrepreneurship spirit optam masam ko bang hina maram sada ithmui local enterprises kala entrepreneur hila jungsang man de le tolak sai je le thumui growth le man de le example sada Ajay agro product ngui handicraft kala somi handloom hila kala truck lefiye ji atumna great kasawa tishura itumui per capita income hila itumui ngai jungsang mandalai kala itumui economic la busa mandalai kala points number 4 de skill diversification itumna optom masam ka phangina maram sadai itumna field ka dai expose haman ga itumla skill da tamkhui manda itumui shmanra da kle work culture hila revive samandalai Points number 5 le caregiving and family time. Educated unemployment. Opam masam kapang hinamram sa da itumui. Atam hi itumui family le kami kala itumui ram now bing le itumui atam spend gasa juwang chinamram sa gada. Itumui family go shok gazang rano ram now go shok gazang rano. Thailaga itumui responsibility kui man ga itumui ram le la khangjai crime shit le. Points kashin kathro gali optam masam ko pangin namram sa de thumui competitive exam li la inspire saman da ithumna yo chat ka de la compete sa chap le ning schneider
Good afternoon. Kaya speakers kala debaters thing. Iwa ming na ungchipe mung sang hoye chena ina tangkul DMU represent sala krane iwe agenda na educated unemployment has become a crisis in tangkul society chu imram lim chire first point ni ishi manipur education system lim twinga ye language ga ithum regulation education jikaba ishi manipur liva theory li matai la ke khoi isina practically wa akhla mansa sokna ya like example borahi 5 kg githar rike da hangsal la kat da khangar kle jikta jiba matam yimne issue we education system ye chene issue education system le ngachan dale jidale atamli ba ngachan dal re atamli idum we career counseling he wala ge issue tangkhule like example isum graduate kubere da phinglo graduate kublaka nextly iki sabar le o ina history mi khuiga iki sabar le dam thai bamne kha ji ma thai khwaina mi graduate sa kublaka ki saba sikle dam mak thai la tra kha kapam la ngwaye chen chimang ning la ishi tanghu we mentality tanghu now bing we mentality for example as iwa lari ga them now ne da phning ga as iwa ot kha ka sare i ot ka tio him salak mre da khleila makhangwam ning ne chena entrepreneurship chu maram lim tingai ishi mi akhna thada I business habong ai I mi wang otpam sami ngai otpam hi mi ngai je tamli ithum parents bingna moral support khwat kala society pingna ki phningar khle isi family li chu maramaina entrepreneurship chimang ning la business mau phukla maho ko phukla tra ka ngabai chim laga ari honwe modernization khrawi mutungai na ithum industry small industries industry githali robotics AI githai zangai na ot industry githali ot masang phangai na ithum ot katio sa ngai pingwa mak ka sam sang phang nga bai chena ari ithum hi ani educated unemployment li kitina ying sang mi faida hangdle
ina she ko dau ga she emergency le khai wang nei next speaker le ari MN01 2326 Swift he emergency le ka kari number by side sami kwai saklai nang gaw tale 2326 MN01 2326 thank you
iwe aming wiso muli hoye e ari manipukri timaina represent salakre hello iwe tui on the motion and satkis nei in a speaker li hang ngai ba itumi ari unemployment hi right side unemployment and education with difference there education le the itum education khali vaina every possible human resource education di education vaina human resource le lak ta le tangpul thi resang la kai na chadra ta le kala chiwithili human resource hi wangai na itum ari manipur with economically kala manipur we yang khrali facely chalai na chatalei tangpul naw makhlai maning mane kala tangpul society li sajure sagzu hi unemployment na maning ne suffer sa dak le hi educated la chang da le ko job singing job sa khai bing la chang da le ko job ka jang ka sa bing hin na corruption sai re kala corruption ka sau yin na itum tangpul re sang khra le la tangpul re sang thur de chi thum unemployment di bahang bai ne kala educated unemployment hi individually ne yangi nei individually yangi nei kala educated pingina unemployment sa la every field reg sang attitude the globalization attitude the social media no every media li no YouTube li no uneducated sa haida athumna job self employed sa laga rim phala gaina pam da lei uneducated pingai na compare sa khaba kala economic crisis tangkhuli chot tak lei hi ba unemployment na maning mane kala educated ping namning ne kachiba ari rai sok tak lei hi isum tangkhul crisis hi educated ping na ngamur laga tangkhul nation wangai la ngamur ta kasa nei hi ba that means itumi like tamkhu gai ping na man ne kharai ta like tamkhu da chatak lei nei educated ping hi government mi aching le ok thui laga pam da lei chiwithili ari ina kuksang le hangau ge ari culture ga thali la educated sa la ga itum na hi host sa da lei itum CSO ping hi educated maning mane cover educated a kha sa da educate unemployment ne cover athumi tam khue da athumi ring khawai kudong hawang chat lei kala ina kuksang le hangau ge itumi uneducated youth ka ji hi should be regarded as potential ya kajiwa educated tra kha leida lekho potential tau the future wiwang kala future generation wiwang itumi educated sala kaina determine sala kaina digbateula tangkhul society resang khawai chadra da leida leya ta pamgis nei ningteo file am lai nei tangkhul nawbing arhon kala
warning
daga morality support makhlai maning ne every tangkhul now unemployment shimphurli unemployment lew with tangkhul society li sakzu lerla male range kotong agricultural chatar da le kotong like tam sar da le atam na khura da ithumna tangkhul re sang atam ra sara nishina haira
Legacy conference li razang haya member psychology the lucy the remind sar shit le je ari atami tran li thungi sakmatai la khaya program khika le chen tum psychorin la yaw ya ma ji hai mela program hi pung phala kan mion khui se jin thum liang ngai ne thum chingri na nang rum se Arai thumna. Agenda number 3. Agenda number 2 we next speaker is Chatak Paisase.
First of all, a very good afternoon to my, Mr. Speaker and to my judges and to everyone who is present here. My name is Wan Tripam Mahung. I'm representing Kairang. So in Matuigi Kichwe agenda he educated and employment has become a crisis in Tangkhul society we maramline. So kharesada itum Lyric tam kuyai salala otpam masam kapang hina mi kachung khali kachot la lehaw la kachimang maning la financial problem ka thala kachung khali ai da shim kurai na la problem ka shola tra ka thai dele. And then not only that lyric ka thai mga wa me la ka tam kuyai ka sa kachung khali dele otpam masam phangla. So kai khava yari mangali la mazat dar tu la zang dele because of not getting the job. And kachung kachai like chui maram sada kachung kachai depression gada kagza frustration gada khalei hina maram sada it leads to drug addiction or any other alcohol addiction. Not only that shim kurai na la financially gata ava wali la kachot gata la kachung ko sampang saktale. And then like she kata clay rogli la mong kashung la tra shock delay because of financially like not like husband and wife mang maning la like for those who are about to get those who want to get engagement or married. So like financially ji kilem sam da approval or girlfriend kithali la machot khang sak tha ji mlang sangaim da chi thau ka chot la ka chung khale de. So I think these are all one of the crises which is happening right now in our Tangkhul society. So he hang la I point hi kup sangau ke ni share.
Kashin Ilaka Speaker Sir, Nisha Tami Kamiwang. You are Ming Iliso, Tangkhul Avenue when representing Sane. Our agenda number 2, he would tupong ye. Larry Tamquelago, Opamasam Kapangina, Ima Tangkhul Yuri, Hapkavai upon Akang side of Gine. Tupong ye against Sanum to Yigine. Larry Katam Gajivo, our work upon it, our work tamne. Ka Otbam Gajiva secondary ne. Jena lari katam tharan otpam masam awar masam ka phangmi hili educated person da mahang bai ne. Jena speaker sir ina hangai ek ja tangkhul mi machine ma chung la gai re khat tamkhul ka shok tak le mi machine hi wa tyo la ke khat tyo lak sala tamkhul ka shok tak le mi machine ding hi ot ba bu sa ser le government job li la private job la or even self employment ka sal le kat le thagai li crisis la ra dak le hi wa uneducated ping hi tha machine chung sang dak le hi tha ping hi na crisis ne da hangai. Then the key point had in Hangaija. Aji lay circuit, Tankulim, Tasang Mandale, entrepreneurship here. Kurt Tankuli meeting Nava. What bum you give government job money refers hang rocket. Kurt lay circuit, itum Tankul society, Regsang, Tak, Madagisang, Hitaya, upon Junquin of Cram Italy. Jiva eaten the Patamic by Hangsejika. Aji house service the Ukruli Lele. He knew Ukruli catering service in Talangan Samile. Sakzali by or any function he benefit ne. Hilwal the lele. Hilwal hina kapunism bangdagle. Hunting Handra, Avram Lik, Clemanson bangdagle, or European, Louis Lisson bangdagle, or Tikata hina. Chocolate some shop, cake, candy hita some shop like it or European, he promote some midley. Promote some amina, Louis Van Obbing ne, benefit the Sampang sir, it economy, the boost sang sir. The laser kinderlapong, Junquan and John the late midley. Then the Tumsada. Aji Manipur can take an answer, go Manipur alone live open some pangi short lake. Tada Simbam your laga Lupa lak Zang laga, he had the Sampang Manipulia. Kahita is him cooked on a cramming. cái ta đâm rầm đó ốt mà sao là bấm cái tay settle và sao cái or rầm nhung bấm cái mi là lấy bấm ấy cái tầm quy sự quy cái mi pin hiva anh cái gì đó bấm ốt mừng vào là thật đó churchly or organization any organization cái thằng nào visa school private school ở sao cái hi cái thay our cái tầm pin đó thằng này cái là cứ our cái tầm pin này cứ lung bấm trên này hi là cứ chỉ là hồ cái mấy sắm phẳng bấm ấy thằng cái crisis hiva corruption our cái tầm machine chung sang hi cái thay nằm tăng khối crisis saoเลย
Warning.
educated unemployment cái gì là tăng khối crisis mà lên này cái gì hàng ngày những là cái
Ning share ari thumna khanawa agenda I thumse tak vaisa se the academic performance of the students in Tangkhul society has been negatively impacted by excessive extracurricular activities of the student unions because you maram le thumna ari ngasan room li sidra jena for the motion he langkol na khimira kala request sanga lu sitle audience ping khayak sena request at le intumna chingri an nang room da ari thum khnawa agenda he taw ge thum chingrian kupsang khaisa se ne thumna ktong khmiji thum ring ka phane ari thumna langkol le adami dle.
Good afternoon, one and all. Respected judges, Mr. Speaker, Sir, you fellow debaters, ping. Actually, in ang the clay he, katam now long way activities kachung hina, katam now being we katam kasili sazang a sakaira kachu motion ang the clay na. Karesada, the topic of today's debate has fulfilled the saying, a well beginning is half done. Why? Because extracurricular activities, there karsalaka ka. Itum hi mechanical autonomous ba maning ka chang thuda phasawi ko choi wang maning la mental reset ka sa hi chop me khara ka chi hangaya ache helirazang ga hai itum nang heu yang ba ya ka chi ba nai hu in shim ung la ga na lai ung pa ngai la ka chi ka chi jak la te te sak ng sangaya ka khani point li extracurricular activities ka chi hi growth like khawai kala academic performance matha mai khawai kala academic dropout tyong sang mai khawai da Harvard kala Yale University na follow ka sana ishi katab long la extracurricular activities hi haling ushun laga or sa dale ya kachi question sai Mr. Speaker sir kagathumali katam now long na than the sports hour ra concert room mira jika akura khai we ni yu ka tong shokra cover ishi katam now long na activity kamathai activities hour ra jika va mi ka phai na kuchang sa dale ishi tangkhu now bing we ning phani hi khine ji si do ozaro bin ma sang bu na hangai sada kapong thing sa hawa sinatem ko chung khamai na kachi thada itum tangkhul iti tangkhul now bing yu ka tong akoli mang mathalaga alungli ba shui ser gai jang hai re da si sanga kyowang khle chika ba hu alungli ishi long now na ka thada te kal sar khle kachi hi question sa mir la ka pha pongli chi shot mi da le ga or mai chile hai thau hai sang mi da le ka kachi question sang Mr. Speaker sir unemployment hi na maram sa lage itum tangkhul katam now bing le ka tung ka stumbling block sa la pam da le the unexamined life is not living the socrit na hangai thada itum hili ralaga cost benefit analyze ki kamle cover itum na hili lan la yang la kala actively participate sa da khle hi area masera kala itum katam ka sil la ka chunga sa jang sakaira khanawa point sa da segment fraud long with implication issue laga itum wi katam now being kining phaning machuk ta leila khala ki sangai da leila kha ga chi extracurricular activities in a breach laga katha da tekal sa sikla kala hu academic venture hu wang kamachuk da kar sala khai ra ga chi hangai itam tangkhul khanui tha ping sevel ma ka sa hi extracurricular activities chungna khai hu wang na kala healing phumai laga kachi jana ki sa thai khala or kachi jana ki sangai khala ga chi phaning ko khuili ba huira gai hili na la ila jang la bai da ajui mover sa da hang khangai na thank you.
Good afternoon, Mr. Speaker, sir, esteemed judges, ladies and gentlemen. Ari Ben Hermuiva, Tiula Lenwena in the Healing and Ning de Clahe. Atsui topic, long activities, Natay Day da Chungna, Singakahina, Katamgashili, Sazing Saga Gaji, Mama Shumplumana, Mataming Saga da Matu Vangna. Kare Sada, Katamgashi, Kiwang Laklagaji Machuk Sangaya. Katamgashi marks great Wivang Itumna. Lyric facts theory bak vai wang mangla maning mane kha overall development mia khali ka shunga mi any field thai thang khamayang sak vai wang na kala hi mia khali ka shung khang sak skills like time management leadership skills teamwork communication skills hikita skills classroom mangli masam phangram nei kha hikita skills ne az long now na activities tara kha hiwe ne itum na tam khui thekhui dak lai hi kala hina thekhui dak lai kala long now activities tara kha hina itum katam now bingli practical sang sa gai itum na classroom li thekhui gai tam khui gai knowledge theory hi kali shijinra ka thada shijinra ma shinjun khui ka kisawai sido kha hida da activities tara kha lai hina itum theoretical knowledge practically ot sagane sasok ji thing saga kala sasok ji vai opportunities mia example for instance aru in healing ning da ma thida khlai miss ka bang ji sportsman bing wang sports le mi da khlai leader limits le da khlai hikas ka tong ga hile engage ka saina practically itum de engage ka saina itum li thai thang bai jing sa khuya them bai sa ga kala spotlight la mi da itum li chui khama apam jil thanga mia itum na mental well being pasarin ba khayang adam lila long now activities tra kha hina katam now li tra khang chona ar hion thot grades mark han rokta tam rokta khlai hili katam now akhui katam ga shi pressure hi chungla ka hili thum over stress depression ana paila ka na kong thi ai bai shona kha hida the activities tra khali engage ka saina thum li sense of community phasa ning ring pha khamai jila khurami da personal growth jila khurami da ning asa ring pha meng saga ning asa ring pha khamai tam thran lairik li lam thamai rer baba ma kalari hon thought globalized world hili na igya ka them khala gi question mang na ma shap thura Mr. Speaker sir ithumi connection ithumi network hi power pangshap akhang saira hida da activities tra hili thumne engage ka saina ithumli professionals ka them thang khamai bing akhwa bing rono peers mentors ithumna apam li rono hida da connection hi create sami connection hi ithumi katam ga shi academic life rono personal life professional life li rono ithumi wang pangshap shongfu sham khui khami akhang saya khanaw sa da mirin ogathui mapai mana classroom mang hili okthui hi mogup sang mana kha itumna hi ayar hili leida khling rer khwai habga khono challenges putting aina leida le hi itumi academic knowledge mangjin na mang rer shap langmra khan ningma dio se yari ishi as long na itumli ran mi khwai face sar khwai activities ta khang ran hai mi de le ning shila khaira
Iwiming na Zingai Ramjingla in a Manipur University when I represent Gasane in a mover number 2 agenda number 3. Kadam now long we activities kajung hina kadam now being with Kadam Kushili Sazing Sakaira. Hina Adam Ning Yang Paisa way sang Sakaji, just Pingala opponent Pingi Tang Sakangane. Karesada it will long now here are you on rock shop to ceremony many Ajalaga 1932 1948 trace backs up by the clinic. Juena Tulaka Ajurashung the now long late at the activities Karunina Ki Kamataki Kamat. Regasan ki kurai ra khlai gine ki kamuri ma khira lak rang da lemane ka khane sada ari arai drugs jam khor shikjin him tai kang sagai tibop ari arai jam khor ma thang khamaya mi jina hikatha sports conference ka jang ka jathili tam khu ya kalam ma shingri la pom ka yarong la hina hikatha conference ka jatli shu khangri tam khu ya jena ka thumali compare salu se kuki mai de hikatha activities sim singam mane ya tangla ka ising ka hi kha chisa sala la atumna ka them thang kamai officer atumna painting ena shok da le ya thaga ba hikatha da activities nei thumni mathang sa ka hang bai ro to mam thang sak mane ya itu mari la kuki mai de wa jing akhrang akmai li zata le chi la mam lai hai se kala hina ya itumli hikatha activities rung khami hina phaisa abu ba shim khuli demand ka sa english sang sa ga ya shim khur abu ba li phaisa lansin demand ka sa english sa khai saran jile abu ba ulansin sa za we abu ba ulansin sa gzi saran jile kadam na we careerly lak chung ka sa za we ya jila thing sa kai dele kala hina hikatha activities ka sa hina adam waste la sang sa kai kiji baba he fundraises hare jiga itum he financially independent sa khai society maning together income wang da fundraise sara project he ya singara yang he kadam na wing sa hawe jog da kadam na dong participate sara yang kadam na wang da participate sa gzi adam kya khawe sa lairik bagi gji adam dong ga jili zata we kala ningli sports conference mangli focus sa ga lairik kadam shil chung ka she ko khut lebam ba mai kala organizers ping hinala gajung gajana I hi kadam na wang sa mira da rin laga organize ka sam bang nei majority na iwi adam hili I khya ga khuira ima ya khuira ine hila organize sami ge jib ka phaning mila sang kap tale kala hot sami da khle ping jina I hot si sa laga I hi profit earn sa khuira I hi thare ge ji hila sang kap tale kala ya really zatna da khle zaching da khle activist ka tong li zat da khle mi jina akhwa shong ya we direct them chu nei ji ma sang ya lak rang ai jena Now, sa sports conference hina, itumli, kamatai regasan ki kalamu kuramne, sagazu, sagazumang kuradakline, kala sports conference communion here, hunka wivang ring park wikavai, hunka enjoyment sakavai wivang, lumlau kavai, organized kasak, kasang sakaway.
Warning.
Dijintum take or religion. Matalaga na yari being kala just being opponent being lila, things sakangaine.
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. Respect the speaker and all my fellow friends who have been debating with me and participants. Okay, so today my topic is the academic performance of students in Tangkhul society has been negatively impacted by excessive extracurricular activities of students. I would like to strongly against this because when you don't have any extra activities, you feel guilty, you feel stress, you feel depression, anxiety, right? So when you go for like extra activities, you will gain a lot of knowledge, you will gain like reasoning power and critical thinking, and you will have a lot of performance in your studies too, right? So yes, dear speaker, can you just assure that all the students will sit in the office? No, right? So, some students, through their extra activities, they will go on with their skill and they will succeed. Example like Ronaldo, he was not a good student, right? Yes. And I would like to say, when you become active in extra activities, you will not just sleep on your bed. You will go up, see what is happening, right? Yes. Dear girls, you will marry an introvert guy or extrovert guy. Right? Yes. So it is very important to have extracurricular activities, right? So in this point, I would like to give a very famous Tangkhul. That is our Suisa. He was not only just pursuing his studies, but he was engaged in so many activities, right? He even went for missionary, he even went for political, and he even become a vegetable vendor, right? And if we study beyond that, we see that he even played football, he even do his physical exercise, and he becomes success, right? Yes. So, dear speaker, I would like to say that our student mindset of studying, like concentration is, we generally know that it is just only 45 minutes. You'll have a concentration. You will never heard a successful person studying 24 into 7 hours. Have you ever heard?
Warning.
Yes. So I would like to say that there's a beautiful proverb said by the Chinese. Chinese were the wise and the greatest in nation. Because their education system, before they reached their education to 4th grade, they were given a proper train for the extracurricular activities. That's why their education system is through the knowledge, not through grade, right? That's the reason they achieve. They find out there, they recover themselves that they have this skill and they go for that. And
Time's
some
up.
will go. Thank you so much.
Acknowledgement or introduction lam sao li se hili kham tin kan khana lam sam phang re khyak share speaker judges speak kata ari hi long now we activities being hi like over sa hai ni jang hang se je ka etum we saran varan jili extra sa laga zatale example sa da katam now long ke assembly basic needs for students katam now long akho basic needs for students ne katam naw ma lekha katam naw long lam exist sam re jena katam naw long khara hi students wen khan suppose aji hida activities hida da conference sadle conference li pung thra ji jang pung thra ji ga ho bo pung baro tan nai ho po ge aji katam naw long ping lai tam sar dak le ne adum hi successful sare je kha atum wi time management hi lam tha phung gis ne suppose aji activities li ila angai da ra da claim nim ne upai lai da he participate sanga he participate debate participate sagi da ra da lai mani mne ka upai lai da itu mui time ada eja sang ro ka masa ba da represent ka san ne ka chi he represent sa he free le da sa lam nim i with time atam le jang i lo ot sai ot da part time thang thang ot ka san ne ji ita da shuti khu de le i financially le effect sa le jang ka tam naw long suppose na tum na tam chala in sare ni na half ti khu ga bye bye ka tang khu system za da pung thra je ka pung thra da ga baro asam ko pung ko thum jilla pung phanga thru baw re ji thai da full day khu ga one day pay ka sai re jang example ji ne ena katam naulong je katam naulong hi organization hi ta conference ka da rung re je kha itum paisa la ta ka sai jang paisa ta ka sai firstly paisa fundraise or aka sai fundraise ali employee fundraise sa tam ni to main target with employee yang is ka sa bi UPSC crack sa da pam da akha kha hak ni li target sa la ga athum wen na fund chung da samphang ra da target sai fundraise ka sa tam le da hili itum IS katha da IS katha sa da klei hi atum thangali pung aka khni mang larik pa laga sambang da klei maning mane ha activities suppose activities sili ra da klei hi atum wi special sala khai atum wi special time jang atum wi important sala khai atam hi chikat laga ra re example sa da IS thare jikan na 1 year or 2 year na brilliant sala ka 1 year or 2 year 9 hours to 12 hours study sa phung ra ha brilliant saga itum tangko li brilliant sa la track le ba me ka brilliant ma sa ping la track le itum normal average students ping wa tha
Warning.
IS thara jega 9 brilliant sa ping 9 to 12 hours spend sa itum ba 2 hours 3 hours spend sa ga IS crack sa shabla examples ha chen na katam naw long hina itum wi katam ka shi mang maning la katam ka shi mang maning le itum wi time yang atam la siman sa ke itum concentration focus kasaj la concentration focus la mang sa ge jang katam lai ni sang lai na IS tamra IS tara da tam laga long now we activity sa jang jen awi preparation awi scope ji achieve masala ku phai tra achieve masala kashok kapam youth tra le bam jang IS tha laga maram da ramli lui ba hai tra le bam me ning shla
Kasi here speaker kala judges kala yaroi ping. Arui ina mutuki je agenda number 3 ne against motion 9 khangning ne iwe ming changsung lung hoye I kerang wene represent sa ne aju iwi topic na kadam naw long wi kachip kachung hi na tangku kadam naw ping wang kadam gusuli haglak ena sajing sak tele kichina ka hi mam sumna hi musung kui gwa I abam li khangning na kya sing ya mutui na themi log ja kre point sa da kadam gusu gi hi formal education gaja ozana tam giste within the four walls classroom li textbook li ka ba ji mang chili kadam gusu mo na ka migumo itum ringda leilaga ma thirang laga dangda leigi gi otsak akana kya sigji ya mutui mena themi log ja I point ka khniali formal education gaja ojana tamgi state textbook li impart masami khra knowledge kuchunga hi itumi long now na kachip khui ka extracurricular activities ayur ayavuli itumna participate ka sa samgabang hina itumi wang awar matai sang saka kya singi ya mutui me iwe khamdia point na gadam now bing na school li classroom li tamkui ka hajili hen sokta reality face ka sa kajiwa activities ngateng date participate ka sa ina athumna confidence pil sang saka kala personality develop sang saka example sada itumi environmental issue hili kadam naw long unit pingna thanda program awareness kya ka rungmi da thinglong ling khang sak chuwi kan khana sam ga phang example aka mention ka samana itumi social political issues kotong hi school li theory aina tam gai je practical aina sak sokna jena mutumi na themi logia iwe khana wa point sa da kadam na aka gji hiya mirinwe
Warning.
Mirinwe foundation ke semna mikumo aka we mirinwe reality kajia ariwi mirin kala rara da kle mirin chile kasi kapa kasok kajang kutung kaka kaji hi itum na face hablungi kijina kibaka na yamahoro maji baimna tivangina mikumo itum mirinwe reality kajia musun aina musung laga
Time's up.
knowledge ji natan kui kijina kala ajuwe higta activities program hina itum bingle our matai sang saga nix lagera
Good afternoon, everyone, respected speakers, church elders, dignitaries, and all the Imphal units. Actually, nang ning tak lahi shui topic li katam now long way activities kachung hina katam now long way katam kashili sazang sakai ragaji strongly mayai dang ning tak lai ne khui wang kle gaji respected speaker iwi point number 1 ili focus sami lo gaji wa Arhon thought katai li lameng se katai era li lameng se ari lay dak lay situation issue with Tangkhul tribe himang hili focus al ga yeng se jiwa ukrul kam jong kala ram now gutong khawi ram school bingji education level jili yang laga kya khang zan glei ji itum na thaiser dak lay ni level khanem chang hin factor a khasa laga long now otsak root ping hin chung na ghai atam tranjili Kamatha kishit katam now mashok tugida edam 2015 when it civil exam glili khibaka clear masara lay dak lay hina proven sa hai ne yang civil exam we aming mang kapan hi khiwang le jiga hin high priority top li leid leida aming sing ne katai civil exams bingli la ka shok trans li 100% will maybe 2% na pass ga sajina education system hi li masazum ne gi hi ba mahang bai mer gi proof sa ngai ne so ari point number 2 jili chidai issue speaker bing na focus sang sa ngai ga jiwa Tangkhul population hi 1,83,115 lay dak lay hiwi alung hili. Itui shok dak lay hiwi alung hili itumi ot ngurut any government service private sector li yang laga. Percentage kya khana involve sa dak lay gi ji thaisar dak lay niya. It's not even 20% himaka shunglar me da ina lay dak lay atam tran hili. Hiwi alung hili itum na kyuwangai ni hili sa zauk leg ji inari prusa ngai hinawa long now hi akhamang majila trak leg hai wi wang so in hiling a sun laga point number 3 li hang ngai na 365 days lay dak lay zingkum hili school ga dak lay hi ban holidays strike ka tha tong ku shok sela maybe 200 max tada chi school ga dak lay ni la school ga dak lay jiwa alung jili hidada activities quick shock like today achiga thai hi holiday mlem ne akhamal holiday mlem ne another holiday ka sai re hi program hili participate sanga yu ngai ogi da practice at le ka changa khazange haula ga tamli chiwi alung jili chili focus at le la fun drive chil mazang rang e ji so imagine long na kha we program we wang cha kha invest sa khai atam ji education li ka the priority mi shabrak le gizla chili mi ge shab chila katong khana ma mim ne wo maybe 1% na hot na laga zang da le re khagatei 99% ji ba ka chili bawra so chi wi wangai na chi at tissue da itumi real sala kai ni yeng se ji ga itumi factor bi yeng se ji ga on top of the atamak le school ma ka tung jili backup sa fai itumi tangkhul now hiwa lower income aina le augi da maitei ka tai ja tha da tuition coaching centers ma mirror to gida chui rei ga sangji mukhirar to gida itum na ari lei dak lei hi katam now long hina support masaram ne katam shili sajung sakhai re ga ji hi I stand by it 100% I and gotong kana mi are da shitsang ekal opponent bin number 2 ngai tong ji ashamari battle ina katatawe china ni share
Kyashi Gabaya speaker, glad you fellow debaters sping. Ili Pamela Gashing Hoy, Libra College when represent Gasana. Iwin topic number 3. The academic performance of the students in Tangkul society has been negatively impacted by excessive extracurricular activities of the student unions. He is strongly against Hangai Jia. Speaker Nana Iwi points li focus Samilo. First point li hidada mingaye ina Jia. Time management issues. Excessive involvement. Time management issues. Excessive involvement in extracurricular activities organized by students union can lead to poor time management, leaving students with insufficient time to focus on their academic studies. Speaker sir, hidden side of college level, secondary level activities maya, like NCC, NNS, Zang to a class, Mazang Tua. Long association, even churchly activities, leadership, quick height run, Katana Kang Sawa, Katana Kang Sahina, Kuchikati Leplung Hara, activities shipping Lee, Chikat Papam Hara, Juena, Kuchikati, Chikat Kahina to me, Katamkas or any lyric tag, lyric bag tagile, Atamale Lumrakaji. In a Miyangai the Queen. So he hung like a points like a mahangina. If a second point in a distraction from academic goals. The focus on extracurricular activities may distract students from their primary academic objectives, leading to lower grades and less academic achievement.
Alright, from the first round, each speakers being when a kupsangare, agenda number 3, tasung de from the deliberation room, alright, from the rebuttal, he Adam Quick Vesara, general. Agenda number 1, which lead from Lalichida, Hanung Richidra, Team Tulalen, in Adam Kumira, Chutisangly, Team Langol, Adam Kumilaga Matang, Jataka Vesara, Adam he, alright, from the 2 minutes, see to me, a lot Samira, color 1 and 30 seconds, 1 minute 30 seconds, kada adam chranli warning mirror, kala 30 seconds lead to my conclusion points, ya mi kwain tumli remind kasana. Team Tulalen.
Lucida, good evening. In a Arihiatam Hiliquilaga, Atang Hankai, you were born and being a Hankai Jilik Dioka, Akakani Hili, Dio Yedauke, Abonen one Nat and DM College, Lee Seminar Gasa, revitalizing Tangkul language and its curriculum. He Palagi the Hangai. Ma, Pai the Sava Salake. Kai remembers he came round 72. Miss 22 na Raye, 200 members who wang run, Miss 22 wang Miss 22 na Raye, Memon criminal at Hele, Mika Rakli, Gahlum Lauda Sakli. He TMU na Sakamine, TMU we freshers midly compare Sataran 120 capacity freshers mid Kasaje, me here almost 70 to 100. Ayarling and Ninge. Lum Kalauba, freshers meet, Mingla now Tarate deliver Kakalum and the Rakle. It will Tanko to Hili, Tanko to Hili, Mtakawai, Kala curriculum has also deliver 72, 73 members, Raye, Kakachota Likla, Kala Hili in a Hili Pesin Laga, Tanko to Hi, Itum Gachota, do the Lakla, English Sang Himing, Tanko in Atan, which I can English Akanizang. Do you make Shang with English and Helage? It we colleagues Ning room that living the last struggle, Sagittarius, not the clerks have a minimum call cover. Tanku English Mang to the Tanku do this struggle, he to identity crisis because how many Mala nation Liga Jota Taka is identity Malay cover, nation access,
warning.
Abundant for the Hankai. Are we to code? You to we sacrifices Jim Lighthouse, Lighthouse Jilla. Mum lies away and the question to the hanging. Mum lies say, cover sacrifices the pub and the clean the come like Vinum lazy, cover Nazan Kaiju Wang, Nazan Hydrake, the point out Kasane. Nishere, thank you.
Movers we in speaker number 2 na our statement nakli line na mention say pass percentage low sa kala exam crack masakra hina you'd we roll
sorry you'd be role switang sakai ri hi mam sung ne na I exam crack sa khuiga yur sem kagali sharuk makhui pa exam gi dawa our statement hiwa government job six mak sabing I mean government job le maning zangbing ka jaw skill li sichang laga produce hak vai hona da klebing li insal khami ga thane chaida imam yang ngai mnya statement ni share
Likra, you quick by cramming the Kakamashun Kangwiji, Napad Niesak by Karana, young lo opponent agenda number 1, Bashin Hankai Imam Yang I Lagna, Jia Young Ajon Tang Irang made the in a cookie Kangrali, Atum Yudna, Avuram Wivang the Pusamang La Dong Dajikadmi, Ka Imaram Lik Yang Kung Taran, Village Volunteer Guard Kakabang Li, Ram Gajida Yang Kavat Taran, Mi Akakani Manglang, Hina Yuri Sangala. Mi mangningang rom da si lucky draw yang laga bang rock unwillingly sa laga bang rock hitha khai na ithum naga yur sem gali reg sang khiralla hilig jimi khai yutsai gora na thumli hangai le example ST demand by Mayday. Ask not what your country can do for you. Ask what you can do for your country. Itum kanui thought bin kyu wangai na awasi so long with hada payun mayura to na inaga na jilaka naga history ba akala mathelak jena itum naga malung kharing maratu kathana bingnala history mahai mi jena itum mi kharajan mathe mi da malung kharing maratu nish lagaira.
Like she mover being the Matalaga and Huilagan hand the Klajina, Mashumi get a cunning nay. Ah, and Hangai literacy rate level is with I return the go. What's with them the CEO? Oh, 1948 January census Linaka, he 33, generally 32 tribes, and he Manipuri 33 recognized tribes Lily. Nagaland leave 17 major tribes Lily. Tajili, Jidamji percentage below 10% literacy level. Lagara Yari 2011 liver 72 point buff. Takal recall this yo. Laga itu my MPSC UPSC dah hantar lagi. Ketemu UPSC pasum sangai laga. Kau pening kang tay nawa. Ajuan tang MPSC result cok tak lagi. Litang orang bergelang sang letai. Itu mingmang biar kau tiris yo. Tina next year ari tel hilipam tak lagi. Tang orang labeng. Kau tu kau assistant professor, associate professor, mi thumra lansa letai. I jam di Delhi the long way, Preston in Hungary. Get a real hungry lay. Katana, Katanam Saga, Yuri or Tremang, Sangai Reggie. Munangai see you. Katanaji, a real a quick hunting the native kingdom, Matek the Taylor. Ah, singly and youngly thirst in the Lina Taylor Lamigina. Ah, we are singly or Saturday River. Kunison Monday, I was singly young Vasalaga. Pasamang la jikat laga paibang ngabeng lai nyong ngong wasa de khu samang de singra
warning
ka thu masa la sa da ke ji ka na hot na ka ke ji ja thot na ka da le individual diversity hot na phung yo patriotism sala ga na khamang li professional khamang li focus ka sa ji phai ye ka khamang jin shok le jai ka ba ji ba shwai re dictatorial society ya na I South North Korea ta tok thingai la Ari ini sen satu lagi babam day. Aisyah nanti mana usok laga. Yaru ini orang mamu shong ni juga. Nahi yurli pites hai. Ngepite tahu sila. Masa baim day. Tina.
Time's up.
Thank you. Kenapa wasa di yang miao gay? Itu orang kena toping. Kita ada basic tu orang mamu juga sekali. Mahang papa asai. Ina yuar saya baik sini. Kalau na ina mesti papa kisah ranjili. Na ina tangkul mereka sang nak kamera sang syuruk kau kau baik sini. Jom.
Menteri Pukri, tim Menteri Pukri. pass. Okay. For the motion, we pass side age and against the motion. Team MU.
Respected judges, thanks for giving another opportunities. So in this second round, as our previous motion has speak something about entrepreneurship and education part, let me also keep some points. Firstly, entrepreneurship. To economically develop, we need entrepreneurs, the people that work hard, not the present mad rush for government jobs. See, Hiroka Yeptomi, a famous and the youngest entrepreneurs in Nagaland today, his business is Oasis, a package of drinking water, and we all know about that business. He has inspired and motivated so many youths today in providing equal opportunities to all the unemployment youth in Nagaland. In point number 2, education. Nowadays, standard bars of education has been raised, and even the parents and children are preparing early to survive in this competitive world. And see, among us, all of us are earning university degrees. In point number 3, digital revolution. The digital age has opened up new avenues for the youth to engage in Naga issues such as online activism and even in e-commerce. So are we still going to accept that the role of youth in Naga nation building is diminishing? Thank you.
Team Liberal, pass. Okay. For the against, Lampel, Team Lampel.
Mr. Speaker, please reconsider motion 1, point number 3. Long now, kala issue politics lila kiki lila, itum youths being mazang bay mane kating lay the chui kangri point na hang idle. Hiwi hili kating awi hi imam yang nyang. Itum liang lo. Kiga matem salala, kiga masarer salala. Tada voluntarian itum nagtiaw hang chon gida itum la zatle yang. Kala itum na kernau bing katana bingling so kupam tamli ot sauri jaga atum na question hang hansing e. Kani thot bing kali bale, kali vaira. Yang kaling tum tu sere ot sau se jaga kipa hamle lagne. So katagle jaga va na we point je. Kating ki gamle ne na yuri wang na odram gutre jaga va na chikare jaga va welcome sad le qualification ki gamle ne. So our points reconsider samilo. Kala, please reconsider motion number 3. Our first point. Hili yur kala itum yurship ay hina issue struggle kasang sare hili contribution achievements kadama leim ne kichuwe na poina halidle. Hiwi hili in hangai bava struggle hi kahaka struggle ne yang journey hi ma paim ne. Ma paira claim team ne.
Morning.
Hiwi framework agreement hi yang hi payeng lo. Na acher itum tong hi achira shungda chingei na pi khui dakle. Yang protection sa mang dakle. No with property kiba na ngak midle. No itum na I no we kapningli ayin hina na lik. Do you think the law can protect you from everything? Atum na sa dakle hi achievement mlim ne contribution ki mlim ne the mahang bailang nyang. So please our point by reconsider sa kala motion 1 will ili counter sa in a recounter sa ge.
Time's up.
Thank you.
Alright, agenda number 2 agenda number 2 for the motion Nagaram team Nagaram. Chiwiti Chengli, Atim Zati, ready.
Thank you. Ari ishi against pasina hang ho. Kathada paisa hi important masam hang bai gida manungai hi pisa sadak le hi pisa namnim la. Yo kharal hai meri thaliwa. Self-employed salo gujine in hang in athang hang hai ban lack of entrepreneurship gujigo in amalem ni dama ham go crisis sok ta lai go itaw yeng na lo crisis kathada sok ta lai klei lack sadak lai go yang 100% 10% mango are in the Green Hill adu ada ukhuli lake only 10%. What about the 90%? I'm talking about that. Jen are to the take jakapa na vachimang la meaning la nana hang the clergy educated sakai bina corruption political way. Kachi we mi patra le lagava Katada uneducated kasabina corruption machuning ning dakle trak le lagawa laga uneducated sa sarla itum are self-employed sadakle itum few achievers min pa me oja guru ruben long ala educated sa ning dai tharla pat machine samang dai lagawa are self-employed. He is his own boss. Asa gazing may la chop cha lagawa je katada no thumna che da hang bai kita che against lak ta le ho iyo je na chi thum thalai ma chulilo hangai khile hang lo. Thank you.
Are we it was speaker and entrepreneurship 10% mang lay the hangira in a hangai baba araba itum society akalung de katong the entrepreneurship sa by nimna miakna at least me sadakle 10% jinam thalak in the sai cover itum reaction cragishna atang we speaker khani akana optimism masam gupang hinamram sada depression kala drug addict salaga itum society le shaikute the lay the hang lay in a jimam yang am nature educated person akana itum na optimism gang ye kyuwang in kla jai khava sorry are we a depression drug addicted here tam khui gai shi khui gai bingwa he had problems in Mushong made the Hangai. Kalatang way, speaker Agna, Lashil Kamung Shung. Tamkugai, Shikugai, Killer, educated Sagai Akava. He had problem great Musam made the Hangai. Share.
Team Kairang.
Good afternoon again. Point si kuchunga hangai yaribaka. I don't know if I get time or not. So like Carissa, like my opponent has said before, like private business kita sala kala kuchunga le delay. So I want to say that private job kasali la mga zat kuchunga thay delay, but business job in a secure sami the hangai delay. And not only that, private business he mi kitong kana sagapay manim ne. So chithadil hangai. And my second point about Layshat we maramli kamatujila. I think people are too blind to see because na educate sai salalo. If you don't have work, how can you feed your family? Na ki otsa laga paisa male laga join na NRGs we sam kita cuma na usim kurli mizarla de ina hangai. So at least you need a job to support your family. So that's what I want to say. And my last point. So let's not only talk about our Tangkhul society. So here we go, Mr. Speaker, sir, in hangai dile, like let's look outside our Tangkhul society also. Yenka, we can see lots of educated people having depression, anxiety, frustration, which also leads to suicide. He mak shok manim ne, so he hang laka kupsanga ye, ni share.
Are hile opponent number 1 Manipur hile corruption hilim tuye kapami la drak le babama ma jam shunge kha kapami ji le ga wa aji Manipur le opam or demly professor sare sala mi ba jina qualify sa sala phaisa hi jang babama ha ga kapami le ga kapami binjin la ji wang jek mi bai ka aji Manipur le che ma sa mi bai ne jena corruption hi wa crisis sa khang sa sun ji ne jena kakni la thang financial legacy we wang kai khang rok drug addiction hira hi financial wangan kai rok ge je thaga ai nishne
Ari lei siu wi pong yang okay Ari dan nana mya le like tam tam li mya le sha khawa ani khani ni educated sa ka strengthen sa re unemployed sa la strengthen sa re ani mthalai strengthen sa re kala exam no kala ka jaw wi chongfu jim thalai chokre juwai na hangai ye ka cha ko tong kho unemployment educated ping no crisis mu khra lak ne strengthen sa bai chu thili a ha pa na hange mai ki extra ha lei de lei is respected guru rupen yang ali sur laga chatak lei tra khali sare kala sangai tra le sare chu vai na mai paisa pati infrastructure pati cover ithumi art culture di chatak lei yo example wa inari chang yu lim lem ne cover tra khali lei de lei tangkhuli ngai li chu vai na uneducated youth unemployment is not a crisis like ne crisis meaning ne katai apong tra khali ko drug ka sai ba ji educated ne cover educated ne jen drug sai ja ale unemployed bang bai sai awi individual ne sei individual vai na ka sai ne sei paisa ma le sal sai le ko idum ari sai hi paisa ma le sal sai le ko je cover mia khali yang gis ko example ina khatra khala hang bai cover naga ari uneducated employment jere ka thana juga ame is respected ari MB Alfred
warning
uneducated ne cover ana chakha isumi nagaw wang muti dak lejiwa isum tangkhul bai din ji wang muti dak lejiwa jiwa kaswila jilak ni share
ari song wisle imam yak ngai le re oza Alfred uneducated ni ji cover siva katai wena sakhui ji mai de sena atang khang thunda lai hile otpam manipur le otpam sambang du da ayer sok laga ot ka phala tra ngabai da hange khova isi tanghul le yukhul le hindi gatam leila hindi ga them leila hindi mtha da gatam leila language barrier sa da ot masam phangla arem bali sok laga pesa siman sat ka unghai ka tra ngabai chang la tangawe
Agenda number 3 we kwikak paisa se for the motion langkol.
Atang we debater number 1 last line li activities ka chunga khirara future li ka chi itum ajui thone advance ka chi alung li itum 25 years ka shungai long now ya achala kha we na sports and literary mang hi sara dak leida so where is the bigger stage itum hilira laga certificate khilo ku sangai chi mang ho chi thei milo debater number 2 the time management hang dale itum hili tikia lai mang munim ne long phang da lag chunga leida kleine hiu alung hili nan participate sara chi ka 1 or 2 week mang ga ne chiri nan students aka sada na student ko isara anji sada leila fulfill sada leila or chui time management him thala in sara de leila chi question sangai kalam debater number 4 na awareness program he career counseling na dahang dale awareness program he career counseling mangli stigmatize sa fusla itum career counseling makle maning la kachung la lei fudale yo itum like career networking skill development program ga tha hi singala ga matha mai da masa sla ga chi ya hangai thank you.
Good afternoon again. Activities chungnaye over the tai dangle. My hangbai salbai ka Mr. Speaker sir to ijiva opportunities choices katam now itum li tarak mawad la paimina da hayo ek jimang samla. Katam now akli ta activities taras ka hai mi da khlai hina itum li activities ka chung hi opportunities ka chung nei opportunities ka chung hi choices ka chung nei kale ta kadam naw khali choices ma wat lak la hai khami adam thran kadam naw bajina ana sa khangai ana sa ga thei phag koi thran ali sense of purpose sense of direction jila khuramia kala khala ta hot na khangai khala ta jham ga thei jila khuramia hita da ali success la sangsak mai babam kala Ari hangda le picker stage da silaka na hangaw as the la miss khagpang hiluk sangor image da lemne emporium da class khu mire da athang chang la hangai le hi picker stage li khui ba khmi mang samla la kal ari arai da la hangai le da le ari arai hitha kapa khayong ra ga shok hi hikta li ga sa du na ra ga shok maning ne kha hikta li mag zat motivation khwa du na ne kha hikta li ga zat motivation le da public face khanga ga na hikta kapa khyong la suida mai ba ma time management we pong lia ka hangaya time management atam singa thai gi hi no yang atam ga tong khan na sa da khli ot akha jili ga tong ga hersang jili atam singa thai gi ning ne khan na saran na sa khwai tara ka multiple responsibilities ji palen sa ga thai manage sa ga thai jili time management skills go hone hita skills ya da ka sa hina itum ni time management
Warning.
สิงอาตมฮิชินทิ้งสักก็เลย any area ลิกันน้ำไม่ทุกจ้าขนาดอีสันนารีก็ตมก็สิลีon road ก็จงหินสัตย์ยังจะว่า narrow view ที่เอาลักกันนักยังวิวังอันนักก็ตมก็สิก็จังคัดก็ตมก็สิฮิลีจังรันพลุงนะ book smart มั่งสัลละ life smart มั่งสังสักษายังสิลา
Ari opponent bing na hang dele ye hikitha long naw na rung khami he na ya really ngning ka thai literary activities lim tha sang sa ga ta hang dele kha hi na itum ni sa sang sak ta khlepa athum ma thei jitla government na itum wi wang policy se mi da khlepa ji ba malai khai tla dili focus mi sa lai tum long naw bing na paisa extra her ta la ga ngatan jat tak le da la sa jat tak le ji ba ba new education policy 2020 le literary activities ka tha ka chung ga sa da le dai hi ki bai na ma thei tu isi ba long naw li jat ta le la government ni policy ba ma yang lui la जिन पैसा एक्स्ट्रा वे सांग सकता ले जाऊं लगो अरे ला ये हिली ता तक ले हिली वो आदम वे सा तक लेने जिको अरे ला यूनिवर्सिटी शोंगली ला पेंटिंग कंपटीशन ला डिबेट कंपटीशन ला तरह खले दे लेते जी यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल इन ला तरह खले दे लेने ही एक्स्ट्रा नहीं जी थिंग संग आया कला रोनाल्डो ना लाइरिंग मनिंग संग मने ता हंग लेते को फुटबॉल इज द या रोनाल्डो ला वोकेशनल एजुकेशन ज तक लेते वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग हिला इज आल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ एजुकेशन ने जी मम लाइनो लाइरिंग द मांग एजुकेशन मनिंग मदे vocational gazatila education ne ya kala publicly zatlaga gazat mi am shingri mane nali kiban hangda na proof lela ya really gazat ping hilim shingri le jina thai sala jila theng sanga ya ari rai mak chai mi jang jang ek jina proof lela chai gap tale jang gap tale ya jena awar ma dai sang sa ga hiri khiu awar ngum dai sang khang sak to awar dai sang jina thai la khi awar dai sang sa na point up sa shobla kala professional wi chong phuli la jithei mi hi tha long naw khurung hin ka jik tha professional jithei sang mer do ka jik tha lai li mer do na tum professional apong long naw hi ka jadai na li professional a wang hi pha mer ri jina thei la na hangai la na mahang rer pam pam ne khalei la malai pam pam ne jang hi theng sa khangai ne ya ri le
in a rally nagara mo ina are in a mover bing le hang ngai Taga atumna activities hi extra activities hi tar ka masam ne khya ne hili ngning la party se sada leida hangai ya laga atumna hangda mak phaji na activities chungna jangai mak phaji na ngphong ha wi de taga no wa na der jang kha hak sile ana ngning shabda le fa na kisa jana time management ma sing kha laga那其他家人都为 priority 去买海了，可看的那忙人了，可当初想那个的忙人知道，呀，真的阿他们行的配啥 waste，阿娃病的那里school 搞了的几活的来着，阿娃病的 they don't matter about the money，leaders 病了 they don't matter about the money，呀，阿他们的当初就想那个的轮的来的黑他 program 呀，真的阿他们行的。hi kha hi la ta de time management hi athui phap ta shi nai time management hi na all ak sa da le kha o hi le lai fi ya o hi le lai fi da no we atam le hot jak sa ga na success sa sab te jing Mening la na o ilari hi longbong da zi pare jai ka na hi no we time ba ji jia ka le fi da hang la ka na hi ta da escape sao da ji na mening jana atum na achievement UPSC jia ka thai la ka atum upai me le da rom le umbang bam le ji that is why he don't participate in extracurricular activities ana extra activities li changai sa ji jiwa a ot ak sa ba yo
warning
mane chen hi ka tha wi ka tong ga hile la ka ana village level li hita dam tham sing ari hon wi adam ne corruption mang de no mi ak li lari tomlo ka sangkhre na winel tomlo they forced their child and children and they were forced and they were given nothing okay They were not given a proper guideline, so they don't know what is extracurricular activities, and they don't know where to go. So at last, they will do with the money. They buy with the money. Okay, thank you so much.
Chúng nó là mahang ke, ada atumbi pap mata thai Bible lila matha second hang hai ne jang ada exact hang we Matthew li do not serve two masters jang tada asam umpa naw lo li hang hai hi suppose na lai dam naw ne jang na lai dam naw na long naw li involve sai gan na suppose secretary sa lo long naw jang any long naw secretary or president or aka sa lo na secretary or president sa da na ji sa la ga thak sai ba mau gi no future scope li ba as i da sa la ga yauri na thai ga MLA or minister ng ning ra example ji I want MLA minister li na phai sam le ka tha kaw ra na da matui ba pha da hang ba pha ning ung sang e da hang ba pha se da mra khali ba Bible la pang lok se Particularly that he participates in now. You got that every miss creeping that extra that future with you make that grand medley. The G grand mede grand commisily Manga Kavazli Jipura Shura regime lame future Jishuman Tays and to predict future predicting Sapalo Sapayaka presently live salo future Jishu Van Heimlo Nishla.
Kaya sige miyam de minadam kami milisit ke jibang ning sitle. Mover bachina hang de klei boy ni thada ngai jai ungdasiat le atumna adam hilikra hi adam shima ne jine. Speaker number 2 na khang je. Ava hilikra hi kiwang ra do jine. Ana awi MU le drawing competition le jine. Khi he idumi he va ngreu khang naw la naw snaw thong thang sa khang naw la jin naw snaw thong thang sa khang naw la jin jena kadam naw akha gi hi va long naw wi kachipli mazang lak la 24 hours like bagi ji meaning ne kha adam management singthai la ga na discipline le la ga na long naw li chang akha no we thangame awarding room sang ni rak jin next la ga
Respected speakers, ni shinayatam kamiwang ka originally na hang kangai bingje ashui opponent mati le opponent mati le te klejili same topic and research ne because why ari skill development adu ada lai ketamui book club ka le da kleji ji hang da kleji quality mazang la saugi the skill development je na proof ha saing la aminga hang la chuwe na shock laga aji miya hang sawi ji oda samangawi ji re sangawi ji malay ne because sadak le ke tong ka program bing ji just for the name sake photo kap khwai wang paisa income ji ashik leaders bing wang than khwai wang but rak jang bing wang ba quality mlay together is just a waste of time yeah next topic wajili issue we matui make a khnie na gahang ji repeat sa shong ji la footballers ka thaw we outsiders ka tong foreigners bing hang ji la. Why don't you name one from our Tangkhul society? This is about Tangkhul katam now long with programming la. Chibaji phaning sak ngai yang. And then thada matui dak lek tong je repeat sa sai da rebuttal gsali la hang vai lam le lu la thingrong khaling ji follow up ga ji khrer na poi le thingrong ba ji athei mathei la farm sat le la productive sat le la ba ji la machung sak ngai yang. So yeah, I stand by it 100% still that katam now long we program being chung na hai wa education system katam gishili sa jing sak ek ji hi thada 100% na shi mati na hang da hai ji na proven sa hai ne.
Ning Shilari speaker na le iliatam kak mi wivang. May mission na hange. Bible le pase. Ya, Bible pare. Christian na waka sa Bible pare maning la. Ka Adam ram Taylor or school gaga Adam ni every early na Bible babam la. No, isn't it? Ito Adam ram tay. Isn't it? See, matubi pa masalo wak Christian na waka sai jiga. Christian na waka we magunjing ngak lo wo. Matubi pa la ga hilis sai da maju la ga na we. Na na maju je kle point si mina masunge ga juwe. Tu je hang no ga na matubi pa masalo ni share.
ning shinai re participant side korole ning si phongsok tale arai thumna khana wasada third round kala conclusion point hi team khani hiu na team kajong ka crowd hiu na for the motion kala for the against wena ababu mang only 1% hi kabang khuilaga na si ing chaili matugi jimya khana rebuttal minute khani hi mimira for the against when aka bangkilo kala for the motion when aka bangkilo nisi ung jai when 2 minutes each mutimira no kala hi remind salu shit ngai jiva points mangwamra kala na tumna kam tu adam jistrandi 1 minute 30 second kata adam jistrandi warning hi hanglu shitra na tumna adam jikumi baira for the motion when adam kumira no kala chi chili against the motion hi adam kumira no itumna adam mazang la kathak medang san kui laga thak meda hapok vai sa se for the motion 2 minutes time is allotted for the motion
Ashinang san mamandale laga in next shoki je hamyo ge issue next si Miss Dikelai Miss Dikelai first round we sara chen shoki ke participants bin ready sami log je thumli ngakau tale
now coming back to the youth parliament I would like to request for the motion to come over the stage and take your time. Kalau hili points na tumna kang adam jistrandi ishi for the motion hina yu gi ju maram hi hiwang ne gi ji state samilo kala for the against hina hiu maram ai na yu gi ji ne ji motion ji state samilo na mui parliamentarian pina 3 topics ji wen thada mti bere all 3 topics ji wen mshun naga point ababu each lamti bai kala atam na tumna thak mai da mati sab ka ba 2 points each lamti bai
Good afternoon once again. Ari ishi motion when shock tak lego. Yeah, come to the point, my brothers. Come to the fact. Yang. Tada hi adu adam thewang naw lilo. Itum sanai re mang nangai thre tum chotai re wo. Ituma ari ri shock tak lewi hang tak leide. Crisis la pai hiwi itumi national being educated wi ari wi atumi school kakawi hiwi hang tak leini wo. Tumni hi adu adam thewang naw lo sanai re. Na tumla theisa dak lenim la yari ping. Mning la khang han ka no in khang jila. Miangai ka wang han ka lo atumi hi is han hai ni wo. Me thula ma thalai ong chut lo a hili jishu wi bible wi adu da mara jang lo itau inau yo mara jang lo ari hi facts tang khuli ma tui se gi jine wo hiwi ka hang ning ni wo topic point si fact ji ra lo gi jine wo ji mng jek se gi jine wo ji hang ge ni sinai re
against the motion opposition tiệm mấy cái thứ conclusion remark mấy cái Yuri ở trong khung thứ gì cái tông ở dân khô giờ là cái satisfied lắm lì NSN can khung hi India ship India đó nào xin nào bình này xin phụ tin đó cái dạng đi tụi mình phải chọn gì 40 mỹ chứ thằng cái gì ở trong một thứ để đến là cái này tụi mình đã mà tay cá man để có không sao bình cái này sao đó tụi mình đã xin là tôi lốp cái gì đã ham bớt xem problem đấy tôi lốp cái gì chứ là cái skills development kia yo education cái gì vậy ra all round development of the personality today not only inside the classroom you know te all round development jina asa ka jing mai da example hang bai le la ka ba au hi skill development le sing ra kala itum extra activities me jibai ni hili ji di ke line paisa ting da li ting ran da ding no deserve sai wo na ni li certificate mang da li no future de career li kan na ga ji le sing ra aru han na tam phut bang hang la ka pha sa bai la jo certificate no master bang jis play ni na ba mi sang lo ka ji ban khui rak lai never China hang ta kali ba hoksa hang ai sala la maroi marang terkar sa dai ki tak ka mai na hik sawi co curricular activities with certificate terkar sa ko sing ra jo kung dalim
Good evening once again. Good evening. Ring Park Zangkade azu Youth Parliament hilim bung phalakai na singkai da sisange singham jingrod na hapknol leithumli ngachina adami tranli ring phalakai na kupsang khangsa gwang ningsie rally learning sie rajang kan tum psycho really ring pha kala sok mila samagruno kala az madela kan participate sami kai na tum psycho learning si pongsok tale na tum na matui kai point psychology kamtha points mange kala khnau khnali leitum hida da mathamai da sakwai sa se kala long now hina sakchang da sem laga program kusok kai hiuli athai kam thai program ak lang sang sak lak se itumi khrinji long sung sak lak se ji na tum liang ngai ne kalam tala kan azui kuits azui hiwi youth parliament tigala youth parliament hi itum na hiwi result hi az mang sok mir mira ka kham itum na result hi declare sa minarak ji na tum liang ngai ne ning sig janga de once again I would like to thank all the participants again and to all the audience for bearing with us. Thank you. Kalau request sau ke itungwi legia volunteers ping na atung hili ledek lectures ping hi kara kusok miron ning siner.
Ning share digelai parliament li participate sami kai ping kala itum yari ping jingri nang na miwang itum ari presentation atam kuisai China volunteers ping GRG ka kuita miorono volunteers ping chair kuita ma mantale laga akang kaoge kaji githana phone Redmi 12 black color Starbucks sambang talaya ka manga hili ka khwira mi log chi saklai na Ngakau tu leh Redmi 12 black color